Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ginger. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I do planning and crafting videos, and I've just recently started selling Lime Life, a professional beauty and skincare line. So I'm adding beauty to my channel. But if this is something that you're interested in, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified when I upload new content. Today I wanted to jump on and give you a flip through of the Homebody seasons. I'll show you a little closer up. It is a gorgeous book. Now I'm going to tell you, I was on the Happy Planner website and I had signed up. This book was sold out. I had signed up with them for them to email me when they got it back in stock. So they sent me the email yesterday. Well, I was thinking about it, and Amazon, actually the Happy Planner actually sells some of their items on Amazon. And with Amazon, you get the free Prime shipping, the next day shipping. So I thought I would just, since they got them back in stock on the Happy Planner website, then I got on Amazon's website and searched for it. And sure enough, they got them back in stock on Amazon as well. So I was able to order this yesterday evening on Amazon and not have to pay shipping because I get Amazon Prime. So, and it's the same price as if you use the Happy Planners website. They sell it for $19.99. And if you haven't seen this book is gorgeous. So I'm so glad that I did that. I'm going to put a link down below. There were only 15 left when I ordered mine yesterday. So I'm going to put a link down below if you're interested in this book and you have Amazon Prime. Be sure and click on my link. It's an affiliate link. It gives me a little commission at no extra cost to you. But now I'll do a quick flip through of it. It is 439 pieces. It is the Happy Planner Girl, and it's just a gorgeous book. I love the muted kind of country feel, even for spring. So it covers all 4 seasons. You get some meal prep and some boxes. Some full boxes and some checklists. You get the wider boxes and the smaller boxes. And this is all for the spring. And then you get a sheet of quotes for the spring. And you get some flowers. And then it goes into summer, which it still has these muted colors, kind of the rustic farmhouse look, which I love. And then it has your full boxes, your checklist, your rectangular boxes and your small square boxes. You get a sheet of quotes. And then you get some flowers for summer. And then it goes into fall. Which, how pretty is this? This is, you know, we don't usually get these colors for autumn. So, super glad to have this. You get your full boxes and your checklist. Your rectangle boxes and your small squares, your quotes. You get a sheet of pumpkins and hearts, a sheet of the leaves, and then it goes into Christmas and winter. So pretty. It has things like wrap gifts, gift exchange, our favorite tradition, decorate the house. And you get your full boxes and your checklist. your rectangle boxes and then your small square boxes. And then you get your quotes, another sheet of the sprigs of pine, and the stockings are so cute. Then you get some wreaths and some evergreens. You get 2 sheets of those. And then you get a sheet of all of the holidays. So this is a super fun book. I'm going to, like I said, link it down below. And that is my affiliate link for Amazon. But if you click on it, you can go and order this book and not have to pay shipping if you're an Amazon Prime member. So everyone have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner video.